which means not having to go through tons of approvals that are required to be done today. The second one is because of this high mobile data growth, there would be a lot of expectations or pressure on the backhaul, which means easier right away for fiber rollout, together with possibly E and V band opening up for microwaves. In addition, if you look at 5G, we expect a lot of cross-industry applications to come in, which means if the telecom policy can also address regulations across the industries, that will help in the pickup for 5G.
And what will be the key trends for digital telecom in upcoming years?
Sorry?
What will be the key trends in digital telecom in coming years?
So, from a digital telecom or digital India perspective, we strongly believe that connectivity is a big foundation. So, if the connectivity layer is not in place, digital applications and digital India will not take off. So, as Ericsson, we are working towards how do we make the infrastructure robust in order to cater for the demands. From a applications perspective, I think it will be a whole range of applications coming up. From agriculture to medical to automotive to mining to, it's basically, there is a need, and I think 4G enhanced 5G plugins and 5G will address those. So I think it was very interesting to have a diverse panel, including the operators, infrastructure providers, backhaul, fiber kind of fiber stuff, and towers, which is very important. So I think my biggest takeaway is that the interest that I see across people who should be concerned and involved in making 4G and 5G a success, we're all there discussing what is actually required to be done across all the different verticals in order to make it happen. So from our perspective, 5G is not a major stepping stone. So what we are saying is what you do in 4G today should be able to support 5G. And I think what we are doing on 4G today will definitely help us bring 5G faster into the market. For example, the backhauls will be prepared from now. The other thing is the equipment that we're installing on 4G, it should be seamlessly upgradable to 5G. From an application perspective, like I also said in the panel, we see a lot of traction coming in from the end users and industries. And they want to work with us, with the operators, to figure out how they can benefit from 5G. So the difference I see in this era now is instead of a push from the operators towards the industries for using the applications, the pull is coming from the industries. And they are very, very keen on preparing their platforms in order to work together and make good use of 5G.